This is my Pontiac Vibe, and I just replaced the tires at America's Tires with, I hope you can see this, Champiro UHP1 tires. Rated tread wear 280. The America Tires attendant said the tires should last 30 to 40,000 miles. There aren't too many reviews on this tire, so far it's a little noisier than the Pirellis I owned, and they drive softer. But that's what the attendant told me, since these are just considered good tires versus the very good tires I previously owned. You can see the tread in here, and so we'll see. I just changed my tires and I'm testing them right now. So far the ride is pretty decent.